Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. NAMI's Netball Academy, Netball Association of Malawi, NAM, has disclosed plans to set up a netball academy as part of its venture to rebuild the sport. NAM President Vatumbika Mwandamonshgodutsa said they would engage netball veterans to be part of the project to ensure that the country continues to produce exciting talent. We further intend to have the support of netball legends such as Mary Wire, Peace Kalua, Judith Chalus and Sylvia Mtatemera to support the NAM Netball Academy, which we are in the process of implementing and sourcing sponsorship for. We are looking forward to beefing up grassroots development by strengthening competition and providing a platform for women and girls to showcase their talent and allow our technical teams to have players feeding into the national teams from all age groups, Mwandamonshgodutsa said. The NAM president also revealed plans to launch national tournaments. Currently, our tournaments are categorized according to geographical location. We plan to have national tournaments which cover the whole country. They will run from the district level all the way to national level. At the regional level, we need tournaments in the north, central, east, and south, participated by teams in the respective regions, she said, while hailing Nico Group for pumping in K1 billion sponsorship that is catering for the Malawi national netball team and Nico Top 12 Cup. She promised to work jointly with other stakeholders to rebuild the sport and Malawi Queens. By working together with Nico Group and the Malawi National Council of Sports, we will create a brighter future for Malawi's netball and help teams continue to shine on the global stage, Mwandamonshgodutsa said. Retired netballer Nefi Kamata said NAM had taken the right direction. There is a need to develop talent. Former players have vast knowledge and experience, which are useful, Kamata said.